thought I'd touch on today two other critical values of Allied. We talked about trust and transparency before. The other two are accountability and respect. I bring it up because we've been working on some serious client projects lately. And the question comes up, of course, it's natural. You know, how are you going to be accountable for my entire project? At least what's within our scope. It probably, it's challenging for clients to understand that, we've developed relationships with our vendors, with our partners, with our design partners that span back well over a decade. We're 17 years old, going on 18, and these relationships for the most part have lasted 10, 12 years with the same partners at Allied. And what that means for us is it's the accountability piece and respect that we all take on. I think what was most interesting for the partners is that the respect that we gave them. It's the same respect that we give ourselves and to our own team, and it's the same respect that we give to our clients. And so when it's shared across the entire group, then it's easy for Allied to be accountable. It's easy for us to make sure that the project works well for everybody. And that accountability extends across the board. So we have our own team, we have our vendor partners, and we have the client. You respect each other, you're accountable to each other, and that ensures project success. Look, folks, it's construction. Anything can happen in construction, we know that. But when you follow the tenets that we do, you can ensure client success in the end, and that's what's most important, how a project finishes. That's how we stay accountable on our team. It's an accountability and a respect combination, and that's why we make it work for everybody involved in the project.